Question number 1. School has 2,880 students, which distributed between 48 classes equally. How many students in each class? We can find the number of students in each class by using long division. Two numbers. The total number here, 2,880 divided by 48. We have 48 classes, right? 2,880 divided by 48. 2 divided by 48, we can't do it. And 28 divided by 48, we can't do, put 0. And the result will be 2,288 greater than 48. Disappear digit by digit here. And 28 divided by 4 equals 7. Because 4 times 7 equals 28. Right, 48 by 7. Okay. 7 times 8 equals 56, right? 6 and they carry a 5. 4 times 7 equals 28. 28 plus 5 equals 33. Okay, it's greater than this number. So we must find the result by multiplication by 6. 6 times 8 equals 48, right? 8 and they carry a 4. 4 times 6 equals 24. 24 plus 4 equals 28. It's the same number. Then we can write 6 outside and 288 here. Find the difference. Drop 0. 0 divided this number, it will be 0. Then the result will be 60. The result here will be 60. Choose letter A. So the number of students in each class will be 60 students. Next question, number 2. All the following numbers are rational except what? Except 8 over 5 minus 5. Because any rational number lies in this image, A over B, or A over B and P not equal 0. But 8 over 5 minus 5, it will be 8 over 0. And any number divided by 0, it will be undefined. We can't find the result about 8 over 0. Choose letter D. Question number 3. The number of integers between -5 and 2. We have here -5, -4, -3, -2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Count with me from -5 to this number 2. We have here -1, 0, 1. Count with me. We have 1, 0, -1, -2, -3, -4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 numbers. Question number 3. Choose letter E. Number 4. In the equation y equal to x plus 1, the ordered pair 2 and A satisfies the equation, then A equal what? We have in question number 4, we have y equal to x plus 1. And we have the point here 2 and A satisfies this equation. Put x equal 2 and y equal A, because any order contains of first projection x and second projection y. X equal 2 and y equal A. In this relation, put y equal A here. In this relation, y will be equal A, and 2 times x. X equal 2. 2 times 2 equal 4 plus 1. Then A will be equal 5. Question number 5. Is it counting numbers with the rational numbers? Counting number, it will be subset of rational number. Okay, because counting number beginning by 1, 2, 3, 4 to infinity, it's subset of rational number. So we must choose letter C, subset. It will be subset. Okay, choose letter C is subset of. Question number 6. All the following expressions are equivalent except what? We have 4x plus 8. We can write 8 outside, height common factor between two terms, and 4x divided by 4 equal x, and 8 divided by 4 equal 2. Okay, and we can write 2 outside between two expressions. Two terms here in the expression. It will be 2x plus 4. Okay, so the wrong number, choose letter C. Letter C, it's the wrong. Choose letter C in this example because it's wrong. Okay, the wrong number here, letter C. Choose letter C because you won't find the except. 4 times x plus 4 is wrong. Okay, choose letter C about question 6. Question number 7. Absolute value of negative 1.34 less than space. Absolute value of this number, it will be 1.314 less than what? Less than 1.109. Choose letter D about question number 7. Sorry, here we have 1.34 less than 1.4. It's not less than this number, it will be greater than because it will be positive. Okay, so number greater than this number, but he won't find less than 1.34 less than 1.4, because if we put 0 here to equal parts, it will be 1.40 greater than 1.34. Choose letter A. Okay, letter B, it's wrong. Letter C, it's wrong. Letter D, it's wrong. Choose letter A about this example. Next question. Question number 2, complete. Number 1, the smallest number of 0.1, 1 over 100, 0.7, 2.1, it will be 1 over 100. Because it will be 0.001, it will be 100th. Question number 2, the age of Basim now is X years old, then his age after 3 years is X plus 3 years. Okay, it will be X plus 3 years. After it's meaning 8, but before it's meaning subtract. Question number 3, the median of all the values k plus 1, k plus 2, k plus 3, k plus 4, k plus 5, 8, 13, then k equal. We can find the median between all expression here by a range from least to greatest, ascending order, k plus 1, k plus 2, k plus 3, k plus 4, k plus 5, cancel number by number and number by number, then k plus 3 we called it the median. It will be k plus 3, and he give us in the example, and then he give us the median in the example is k plus 3 equals 13. He give us in the example the median was 13. Then k will be equal 10 in this example because 10 plus 3 equals 13. Question number 4. 4 increased by L equals Q. 4 increased is meaning plus. Okay, it was question number 4, but we want question number 4. Okay, question number 4, it was question number 5. Understood? Again, k here equal 10 about question 3. Question number 4, look at here, question number 10. Question number 4. In this example, we have 3 and 1 over 9 plus 1 and 8 over 9. We have the same numerator. Write 9 and 3 plus 1 equal 4, 8 plus 1 equal 9, 9 over 9 equal 1, 1 plus 4 equal 5. The result will be equal 5. Question number 5. 4 increased by L equals Q in the equation. 4 increased by L equal Q. Question 6. The median for the set values here, we can find the median or the mean. You want to find the median. Okay. We can find the median by arrange all the number. We can find here the median between all numbers by arrange them ascending order. Here write all number ascending. Okay, 15. And we have 15 here again. 17, 18, 19, 21, 22, 22, 22 again, 2 times, and 23. Cancel number by number, number by number, and number by number. Then it will be 19. Then the median here, it will be 19. Okay. Next question. Question number 7. In this example, if k plus 1 equal 5, then k here will be equal 4. Question 8, you want to find what? You want to find k minus 2. Then k minus 2, put k equal 4 here. 4 minus 2, it will be 2. The result will be equal to. Question 8, the least common multiplication of 5 and 8. We know 5 and 8, we called it relatively prime numbers. 5 and 8, because the highest common factor or greatest common factor between two numbers equal 1. Then the least common multiplication between two numbers, it will be their product. 5 times 8 equal 40. Okay, choose question number 3. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. Question here number 3. 1. If x plus x equal 12, then x will be 6, because 6 plus 6 equal 12. X will be equal 6. Question number 2. 5 plus 12 equal space times 5 plus 12, it will be 1. 1 outside. Okay, it's 1 here. Question number 3. The opposite of 5, it will be negative 5. Its additive inverse of 5 will be negative 5. We called it additive inverse with the number. Question number 4. Which box bullet represents the data? Here, okay, we have the data, and we want to find which box bullet represents the data set. Okay, first step, we must find the median and quartile 1 and quartile 3 and the minimum and the maximum number. Okay, look at with me. We have the numbers here: 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and last one, 24. Okay, we can find from all numbers here the median by cancel number by number, and number by number, and number here by number here. Okay, number by number, and here by here, and here by here. Then 14, we called it what? The median. Then median equal 14. Okay, and 8, it will be lower, it will be minimum. Okay, the minimum, it will be 8, and 24, it will be the maximum. Okay, now we will find what? We will find quartile 1 and quartile 3. Okay, from this part here, we can find 11. Okay, 11 lies in the median, so 11, it will be lower quartile. Okay, we called it Q1. And from here, from the median will be what? In this example, you want to find which represent the solving this part here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and we have 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 17 lies in the median. From right hand side 3 numbers, and from left hand side 3 numbers, then 17 we called it upper quartile. Okay, we called it Q3. Okay, now we will draw number line here and represent all the result on the number line beginning by 8 here, and the next here 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Put a point in the minimum here and the maximum 24, and then lower quarter 1, 11 here. Draw this box here from 11 to 17, and then draw box bullet here and draw this line. Okay, understood the steps here, and the median 14, it will be the result, and here quarter 1 it will be 11, and 17 quarter 3, and minimum and maximum. So the result about question number 4, here we will choose what? We will choose letter A. It's the same result about my solution here. Okay, the result will be letter A. Understood? It's like the number exactly here. Okay, choose letter A. It's the result about this example. Okay. Next question. The mean of the following values is what? We can find the mean here. Question number 5. Shows letter what? Letter B. We have why letter B about question number 5? Because the mean equals sum of numbers divided the numbers. We have 1 2 3 4. We have 4 in denominator, and all numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. 12 divided by 4 equal 3, and the mean here will be 3. Choose letter B about question number 5. Understood? This reverse to number line dot bullet here, and we have 1 2 3, and here 1 and 2. Okay, and here 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, and here 2. Okay, then the mean here we have 1 2 3 4, 4 numbers, right? 4 in the numerator, and the sum of all circles up here, or this square or this point, 12. 12 divided by 4 equal 3. Question number 6. We have 8 minus 4 divided by 2 multiplication by 3 equal space. Write 8 minus 4 divided by 2 equal 2 times 3. Write 8 subtract by 6 equal 2. We know divided, it's the first operation, division and multiplication. The result will be 2. Question number 7. In the expression 2a plus 5 plus a plus 1, which of the following we need to do? We have 2a plus 5 plus a plus 1. Need to do here 5 and 7 are not constant. 5 and 2 not constant. Are constant? No, you choose letter A because the constant here will be 5 and 1. We call it the constant. So the wrong answer, not true, it will be letter A. Question number 4, choose the correct answer. In the point third of the letters are white and fourth of letters are pink. The remaining letters are blue. What is the fraction of blue letters here? To find the remainder, you must add 2 fractions and subtract the result from 1. Whole 1 on number 1. Okay, question number 4, 1. Then the result, we can write the fraction of the blue tiles. Write 1, subtract by the sum between two fraction, third and fourth. Write 1 here, and third or fourth, write 12 in denominator. Write the least common multiplication between two denominator, and 3 times 4 equal 12, 1 times 4 equal 4, 3 times 4 equal 12, and 3 times 1 equal 3. 1, it will be 12 over 12. Subtract 4 plus 3 equals 7 over 12. The difference between them will be 5 over 12. It's the result about question number 4 and number 1. Next question, number 2. Islam needs 300 lira to pay panties. He doesn't have enough money. Find 3 possible amounts of money Islam has less than 300, such that what? 290 lira, some lira, or we can write 280 Egyptian lira or 270 Egyptian lira. Okay. Any 3 number less than 300, because Islam needs 300 lira to pay panties. He doesn't have enough money, so he will have a probability here 290 and 280, or any number less than 300. Question number 3. The following table shows the marks of group of students in exam. Okay, use suitable intervals to draw frequency table. Represent the frequency table using histogram. Okay, in this example, we want to find what? In this example, we want to draw the histogram. Okay, to draw histogram, first step, we must find the range between the greatest number and the smallest number. The greatest number in the table here, it will be what? We have marks 1, 2, 4 from greatest number and the smallest number. Marks here 19, 20, and 1. So marks the difference between them. It will be 19. A number of students here from 1 to 98. It may be equal 3 steps markets. Okay, I will draw the range here. Contains of a lot of intervals. We have here intervals and frequency. The beginning number 1 to what I will add here the length of the interval. I will choose 1, 2, 3, and 3 it will be here from 4 to 6, and 7 to 10 or to 9. Okay, 10 to 12, and then write 13 to 15, and from 16 to 18, 16, 17, 18. We have in any interval 3 marks. How many students get from 1 to 3? And count from the table. Okay, we must add the result. And the last one here from 19 to 21. The end of the exam was 20. Now 1 and 3, count with me here. 1, and from 1 to 3 it will be 2 plus 1 equal 3. 1, 2, 3, it's meaning 1 and 2 and 3. We have 1 and 2, it will be 2 plus 1 equal 3. Count with me all the numbers. And the next step, I will draw histogram here. There is an interval. First interval from 1 to 3. And here from next step 4 to 6. And 7 to 9. And 13 to 15, 16 to 18, 19 to 21. And the next step, we will draw from vertical axis here, it's y-axis, and here x-axis, marks the number of students. We can put from 1 to the greatest number here in the numerator. Here it will be 11. Okay, we can draw 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. From 1 to 3 it will be 3. There is the first histogram here, first graph is bar here, and the next bar to 4, and the next to the number 5, and the next to 4, and the next to 11, lies between 10 and 12, using ruler to draw, and the next will be 7. We have 3, 4, 5, 4, 11, 7, 7 here between 6 and 8, and the next will be to 6, 4, 6, 7 to 9, 10 to 12, and here 13 to 15, and here 16 to 18, and the last one 19 to 21. And then finish this example by colored any power here. Okay, it's the result. Next question, number 4. Find the greatest common factor of the number using Venn diagram. We have 7 and 12 and 21 and 12. 7 and 12. Okay, 7 and 12. We know 7 equals 7 multiplication by 1, or 7 it's prime number, and 12 and 7 we call that relatively prime numbers. It will be 7 times 1. Okay, so 7 and we have 12 for 3 times 4, and 4 equal to by 2. Then draw the Venn diagram here. We haven't common number here in this part, so the greatest common factor between them, it will be equal 1. We have here the number 7, number 12, 2 times 2 times 3. Okay, understood? 7 and 12, we call that relatively prime numbers because the common factor between two numbers equal 1.